Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming connectivity and a quick backup so you can restore if needed. Once done, open the Theme Store app or Settings Wallpaper and Style. Either path works on Realme. Make sure you're signed into your Realme account so purchases or downloads sync. Now search or browse themes, tap a theme to view details. You'll see previews, components, and an Install or Apply button. Tap Install to cue the download and prepare for the next configuration steps. Now you customize components so the theme behaves the way you want. You can preview icons, fonts, lock screen style, and accent colors. This helps avoid surprises. Tap Customize or Components to pick icons, wallpaper, and font individually. Choose only what you like to keep system stability. If an asset needs downloading, grant storage permission and wait for completion. Once every piece is downloaded, double-check the preview and uncheck any components you don't want applied before moving to Apply. You finish by applying the theme and verifying system behavior. Tap Apply and watch the changes. Make sure home screen, lock screen, and app icons reflect the new design. If something looks off, reapply only the problematic component from My Items rather than the whole theme. This isolates issues. If the device becomes sluggish or the theme manager is unresponsive, clear theme app cache or reset the theme manager via Settings apps, then reboot. As a last resort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.